Hey everyone, let's do another Dutch pour. I thought I'd do it while I have all of my paints mixed up, and I didn't remember I had some creative inspirations that were mixed without silicone, so we're going to use those two colors. That is the Purple Lake and the Dioxazine Violet. But we're also going to use the Van Dyke Brown and the gold that we had mixed from the last one. So I already did the white, so I'd save a little bit of time. And we're going to go ahead and lay color now. So I'm going to start with the Dioxazine Violet. I'll probably just take the cap off. It'd be much easier. Whoops. Now this paint does have Floetrol, so we may get a little more selling going on than the last one for sure. And this is the Purple Lake. These paints have been mixed up for almost a year, so let's see how they work. So much traffic down here today. Okay, here's some brown and some gold. And I'll put a little more of that violet on top of that. That's where running off this edge over here, which I didn't want to do. I'll put some white around it. The trick is to get enough white in front of it to blow it over. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my dryer on, so cover your ears. Okay, so now you can see the difference when we use the Floetrol, how we got some cells. Now watch when I torch it. So if you definitely don't want a lot of cells, just mix your paint with water. You know how I am about water in paint. But for this technique, you really have to have your paint thin. Let me turn it around here so you can see how I'm seeing it. And I do want to push this out a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and go back in with the hairdryer. One final torch, and she's good to go to the drying rack. So subscribe if you haven't. Click on that bell to be notified when I upload the next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook at the Barrage Posse by Christina Welch. Also my Christina Welch Art page. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. We even have the hairdryer on there. And this has the cool setting, which you definitely should be using. Also, paintings are available in my Etsy shop, and we also have the Stone Coat Art Coat resin code below. Our fan mail box, if you want to sponsor the channel to get in on our April 1st drawing, that link for PayPal is below as well. All our sponsors get to pick their prizes. So, with that being said, I will see you all on the next one. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.